Okay, this is a short little video on SDHC cards, and these are the cards that are used in just about everything electronic today. They're used in cameras, they're used in recorders, and they're used in semi-professional equipment. These use a special SDHC. The SD stands for Secure Digital, and the XC means extra capacity. These are SDHC, and these are Secure Digital high capacity. This particular SDHC card has given me some problems. It is not reading back the files that I wrote to it, and it's got a problem. So I thought it would be an interesting video to see what's inside. So I've been curious about that myself, so let's find out what's inside. All right, get a Dremel drill on this thing, and it's sealed all the way around. It's not snapped together. It's actually sealed. They use a high frequency sealer on plastic to actually bond the two pieces together, the two shells, the upper and the lower piece. So they have to be separated by cutting it out. So let's just cut it out. Okay, turn it over. Okay, turn it over again. Oh, by the way, this little clip right here, if you move it down like this, it prevents you from recording on the SDHC card. And then if it's in the up position, it enables you to record. So if you wanted to save a recording and you didn't want to record over it, you would use that little tab. But we're going to eliminate that little tab right now. And there should be one more side here. So let's just take that last side out. Okay, I think that got it. All right, so if we open it up and we see what's inside, not much. Okay, fooled me. Huh? Wait a minute. There's got to be something in here. I don't get it. Let's see, maybe it's in here. This is it, I guess. Wow. So it's just the whole memory is built into this little piece here, and the rest of it is just a facade. I don't see any electronics in here at all. Wow. Okay, so this is primarily just a shell for the upper piece that has the contacts and the memory in it. And this is all there is to an SDHC card. So everything's packed right in this little piece right up at the front. So I guess it doesn't matter what happens to the back. You better take care of the front. Okay. Well, that's what's in an SDHC card. Thanks for watching.